Adding a no index tag to a page hides it from search engines, while leaving the page public and available for visitors to access. There are two ways to add a no index tag. Both of these methods will create a similar effect. In most cases, you can use the built-in option located in Page Settings. This does not require you to have any knowledge of coding and is available for all Squarespace plans. To use this method, visit the Home menu and click Pages. Hover over the page and click the gear icon. Now click the SEO tab and check Hide this page from search engine results. Alternatively, you can add a no index tag manually using code injection. While the page settings method cannot be used on home pages, you're able to hide home pages using code injection. However, this is not available using the personal plan. In order to hide a page with this method, hover over the page you wish to hide and click the gear icon. Now select the Advanced tab and use the following code shown here. The code injection area you use sets what content is hidden. For example, if you want to hide your entire site, add the code snippet to the header by navigating to Settings, then clicking Advanced and Code Injection. Adding this to a collection page, such as a blog page, also hides its collection items, in this case, blog posts. Keep in mind, adding or modifying code on your site is an advanced modification and we're unable to troubleshoot custom code related issues. Feel free to let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.